Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back. Let me find the lighting. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and I upload every other week. So today's vlog, I wanted to show you, I was doing a little practice baking. It's called zucchini bread. Y'all. Let me pause and show you more easier. So I was just practicing how to make zucchini bread. I didn't want to like film because like I said, I want to practice. But I want to show you guys in the oven what I did. So let me see. I don't want to open it because it's not, like I said, it's not ready yet. But I'm going to bend down and show you guys. So, wait. Ignore the ignore these. Ignore these towels, okay? They're clean. But this is what I'm making, zucchini bread. And honestly, this is what it looks like. It takes about 1 hour and 45 minutes. So you guys will be able to see. I will show you guys, let me come around here. So I will show you guys the results. The lighting is not okay today here. So let me come where there's lighting. So when it's ready, I want to show you guys what it looks like, and then maybe not now though, because like I said, I'm gonna be doing all my vlogs for August, take a break, and then that will be it. But I will show you the results like when it's finished and everything like that. And if you guys want to try that type of recipe, just type zucchini bread and it gives you all the recipe, all the ingredients, what you have to do. It's like a pretty easy recipe to do, not so difficult, but it still needs to cook. So when it's done, I will show you when it looks like, okay? Let me end it here. Hey guys, the zucchini bread is ready, but I cannot try it right now. But when it's ready, I'm gonna try a piece of it. Oh my god. Okay guys, so this is the zucchini bread. So let me try a little piece. Let me try. Bite a big piece. Like, it's not bad. It's not bad. Like, it tastes fresh, but it's not bad. It's not bad, but it's a little fresh. So, could still eat it. Yeah. Guys, honestly, it's still hot. Honestly, y'all guys, it's not bad. I give it a 10 out of 10. My first time baking this zucchini bread. And yeah, if I'll do this again, I would recommend I would make it again. I could have cooked it a little more, but other than that, it's good. First time making that, and it's good. So I would definitely eat this because you know I'm not into too much of the sweets, but there's our there's my baking skills right there. All right, but anyways, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. If you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.